coffee, I'm using the small mug. It's very nice. It's nice when you drink hot and slowly. It's feel like you are cool. I don't know if I will go out or no. Yeah. For people, thank you so much. Big, small, I use them all. No, for the coffee, I like to use a small mug. My small mug. I would love to enjoy a glass of tea and with milk with you. Oh, let's try it one time, Jim. Why not? I'm using this. This mug I'm using for my coffee. I have two. I'm using this for the coffee. I'm not putting full. It's just like until here, half of it. Coffee brew and tea strips. Coffee puro. I like the gold coffee. You know the gold coffee, it's nice. I taste it at work. It's nice, the gold coffee. Because Nescafe, it's like normal. It's even in the Philippines, I taste it, but I like the gold coffee. 9 people, thank you so much. Okay, one time we will try one day. Oh, why not, Jim? If you are closer here, we can have tea with milk or coffee near the sea. So many restaurants here near the sea. Coffee likes you, pretty lady. Hi, Ryan. Thank you. Thank you for coming. Sohel. Hello, Sohel. Silent viewers, hello to you. Thank you for visiting me. I'm good, Sohel. Thank you so much. Mhm. Turn around, every now and then a little return. I do live streaming. This is my other channel, so I will have time to my Lady Peanut. After this, I'm gonna do my Lady Peanut later. At least it's 1 hour. 1 hour update, my Lady Peanut. Thank you so much, everyone. Thank you for the likes and subscribe my channel. What you're doing? I'm just open my live streaming and drinking tea with milk. You are welcome. Thank you for being here. Very, very nice person. Ryan, thank you so much. You look so good. Thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you for always supporting me every day and night, guys. Thank you for listening and watching to me. Thank you very much. Much appreciated your support, everything. Watching, support, and joining my membership and sending super sticker and super chat. Thank you so much. You look so good. Thank you. Bye, people. Thank you. Cheers. Cute content. Thank you, Ryan. Thank you so much.